now for its first outing after all the repair work. Super excited. We're going to get the top down today because it is lush weather. Let's get to it.
So, obviously this is my car, and I'm not driving it because
Not
Alex...
anymore, it's not! It's mine!
Because Alex won't let me drive the car. In all seriousness, we live in like some weird country lanes, and I need to test drive this on some good roads so I can learn the width of it because it's bloody wide. As we know from the Audi video, I have incidents with gate posts and God knows what else, so I need to build my confidence up, I think, driving it. And because Alex has basically taken the car over, so.
Oh yeah! V8 baby! Never get bored of that sound. Windy.
Having to hold my hair so it's not an absolute mess.
Tia said she wants to get one of them little old beard scarves.
I do.
Stop our hair flying around everywhere. I'm going to have a big red melon head because I can feel my head burning. Another little thing we've had done is we've had these custom floor mats and a boot mat made up by Ugar at Custom Made Floor Mats. I'm going to put the link in the description. He can make these mats for any car. All you've got to do is send him a message via his Facebook group and he'll be in contact with you the whole process. Really easy to do, really nice gentleman to deal with as well. And we are super pleased with how these have come out. Fully embroidered, and he's even put the white sort of silver stitching in to match the seats of the car as well. This set has come in at 250 quid. I think it's money well spent and it'll give a clean look to the car. Ugar's also been kind enough to share with us some of the footage of how he makes these mats from scratch. We're going to give you a little insight into how the mats are made so you can see for yourselves. And he uses all top quality materials.
Hi Alex, I just cut your mats. This is passenger side, driver side, and boot mat. We'll be making the logo. It's time for the cutting the back mat. So this is the mat. These are the rear sides. We'll lay down, then cut it. Now it's time to package. And there it is.
I have to say, from driving this today, it's a bit of a pinch yourself moment really, because I've only ever dreamed, like Tia, to have an Aston Martin, and I honestly never thought that the day would come that we'd own one, so that's quite a really good achievement for both of us. And it's super exciting as well. Like the whole day I felt like a kid behind the steering wheel. You know, I only ever used to look at these cars and think how amazing they looked, you know, let alone to think that we'd actually own one. We've got a few more bits to do on it, and also we're going to get the exhaust flap kit fitted, see what this thing really sounds like then. But I don't know why they bothered putting a radio in this, to be honest with you, because the radio is the exhaust. It's good. I mean, the exhaust is okay stock. It's got vacuum actuators on the exhaust, so when you reach roughly about 4,000 RPM, the actuators open up, giving you more or less a straight through exhaust sort of note, which sounds incredible. But obviously when you're doing lower speeds and the revs are a bit lower, it is quite quiet, and for me, too quiet, can't have that. You know, you need to be able to hear it. So I'm quite excited to get them fitted as well. I think that'll also transform the car a bit. So it's been a really pleasurable first day out in the Aston. We've done about 100 miles today. Only took it out to get an ice cream and we successfully made it. Everything's been working spot on, so we're really happy with that actually. I don't want to jinx it, but we really love the car, sounds fantastic. We're going to try and get a bit of footage so we can show you guys now, and also so you can listen to this thing because it sounds incredible. Let's go. Brand new airbox. It's the wrong colour.
Joy of filming these shots is I just get abandoned on the side of a road and get very dodgy looks.
We're really happy how this one's turned out. Join us back next week when we've got a few more bits and pieces we've got to do to it.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.